Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design an art scene using gradient map. Go to the gradient map, adjust, add color red, purple and teal. Now set blend mode to soft light and then duplicate the layer and change opacity for subtle tone shift. And also add geometric shapes to match the theme. Use a soft brush for background glow. And also add typography using futuristic sans serif font. Apply gradient overlays for smooth blending. Use color balance to refine the tones and grains textures for artistic finish. Now everything looks cohesive and stylized. Save this as a digital art concept poster. Thanks for